It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of factors. What are factors? Factors are a number that divide evenly into another number or expression and do not have a remainder. Let's practice finding some factors. Let's start with a prime number. A prime number is a number that only has two factors. We're going to start with the number 3. So the factors of 3 are just 1 and 3. Those are the only two numbers that multiply to 3. So those are 3's factors. Let's try another number. Let's do 6. So we're looking for all the whole numbers that multiply to 6. So I know that 1 times 6 makes 6. I also know that 2 times 3 makes 6. And there are no other numbers that multiply to 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Let's do one that's a little bit harder. We're going to do 12. 12 has a fair number of factors, so let's start again. I kind of like to think of these as factor pairs, or the two numbers that multiply to make 12. So I know 1 times 12. Those are both factors of 12. I also know that if I multiply 2 by 6, I also get 12. So those are both factors of 12. And then if I multiply 3 by 4, I also get 12. So all the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Before we go on to our final practice problem, I want to point something out about all 3 of these numbers and their factors. You might notice that all 3 of these numbers have 1 as a factor. You might also notice that the number itself that we are factoring is also a factor. So we're trying to factor the number 3, and 3 is a factor. We're trying to factor the number 6, and 6 is a factor. And when we're trying to factor number 12, 12 is a factor. You already know 2 factors of every single number that you are going to attempt to factor, because one of the factors is 1, the other factor is the number itself, and then you just have to find the other factors. All right, this is our final problem and your turn to practice. We are going to find the factors of the number 24. Go ahead and pause the video, and once you have all of the factors, unpause and see if you're right. Okay, so like we talked about, every number has 2 factors that we know straight away. The first one is the number 1, and the last number is the number itself. In this case, it's 24. Let's find the other factors of 24. I know that 24 has a factor of 2. When I times 2 by 12, I get 24. So those are both factors of 24. I also know that 3 times 8 makes 24. So both of those numbers are factors. And 4 times 6 are also factors of 24. So these are all of my factors of 24. So you found all the factors of 24. Good job. Thank you for taking the time to unlock the magic of factors with me. Till next time.